In this video, I will show you how to scan QR code on PC without a camera. Open your browser, search for QR code scanner online, open this website, click on Scan Now, click Browse, select your QR code or barcode image and open it. Now copy the link. Open a new tab and paste the link. Alternatively, open the Microsoft Store, type QR code scanner in the search bar and press Enter. Select this QR code scanner app from the results, click Get. When the installation finishes, click Open. Click Browse Image File and select that screenshot. Click Decode QR code. Here you go. Just copy the link from here. And that's how easy it is to scan a QR code on your computer or laptop without a camera.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.